In this video, I'm going to show you how to get live HTML preview or live server in Visual Studio Code. Let's get started. As you can see, I have some basic HTML code here. So firstly click on Extensions button or press Ctrl-Shift-X. Now in search bar you can search extensions in Marketplace. So type here live server. Now simply click on the first Visual Studio Code extension called Live Server. As you can see, this extension launches a development local server with live reload. What is interesting is that this extension was installed almost 41 million times, so it's pretty popular extension. Now click on Install button to install this extension. As you can see, the extension has been installed. Now we can close the Live Server tab and also the extensions list. Then click on View tab on the upper left corner and choose Command Palette option. Here in the search bar, write Live Server and choose the first option, Open with Live Server. Alternatively, you can press Alt key plus O. As you can see, the browser window has automatically opened. Now we can change the text in body to see what happens. I will simply write text Hello World. And there you have it, the text has automatically changed. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.